Fifth and final session of the day. I'm back in my S2000 right after driving Jeff's car. I don't know how this is gonna go. I feel like it's gonna be a kind of an eye-opening and at the same time depressing experience. My car is just so inferior to his in every single way. But you know what? That's okay. I just want to set a baseline with my car. I haven't gotten a single clean lap here with my car yet, so just want to see where I'm at and then see where I can improve as a driver and as well as you know, modify the car to suit my needs. My car has no torque compared to Jeff's. My VTEC engagement is stock, meaning it's at 6,000. His is at 4,000. Tires grip. messed that up so bad. Is Jeff waiting for me or what? Give up on me now. Come on, brakes. Ah. And another lap is ruined. Tires, please. Hold on for 2 more laps. No, 1 more lap. 1 more lap. Come on. Oh, I'm so bad at that corner. I feel like that last lap could have been a 206 potentially. I was really pushing myself trying to keep up with that E30. But whatever. I'll call it a 207. I did a 207.41. Not happy with that lap because I messed up. Forget which corner it is, but it's that third gear right-hander. I messed that corner up pretty much every single lap. The last lap that I wasn't able to finish, I think I did better. Still not good, but better. I think that corner alone probably could have shaved me half a second. So I think I'm looking at it basically a 206 right now, if I could string everything together. You know what? I'm very pleased to say that even though I just got out of Jeff's amazing S2000, I'm still impressed with how my car handles. I really like the Ohlins. I really like the way the aero feels. The chassis balance overall is good. The oversteer is controllable. It doesn't have the amazing corner exit traction of Jeff's car, but you know, stock LSD on this thing's still holding up. It does its job, you know. Can't really complain too much. The motor obviously doesn't make nearly as much mid-range torque, being a completely stock AP2 motor versus Jeff's tuned motor. But that's probably the least of my concerns right now. If I'm really going to invest more money into this car, which is a big if, by the way, I think I would definitely, you know, install a big brake kit at the front, which will be crucial for consistent stopping power, and also invest more into the suspension setup.